What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Recently we purchased a Mosko handbag for the handlebars on the beta. Let's check it out. All right guys, here is the Mosko Moto bag. Real great quality on the outside. Got a little bit of Velcro that you can attach like a patch of some sort. The back is pretty neat. You've got these little like areas that you can hook something on there. So if you have like a pocket knife or anything like that, you can do that and attach it. Opening it up here, you have this really cool 3D looking type of print. Very bright, great color, I love it. In the front, you have your first little zippy pocket. Inside the zippy pocket, it's a nice cloth material. So let's say you have your phone and you don't want it to get scratched, real safe area. This is the iPhone 17 Pro, the smaller one, fits in here. If you had the bigger one, still have all that extra space to close it up if needed. Closes up very nicely in there. Inside the patch, it is a little bit tight, but I think just over time with using it, it will probably loosen up. You have the Mosko Moto bands to attach it to the bike, which we'll do here momentarily. Let's say you have your Hydro Packs, your gels, you're riding some Enduro, you're getting tired. Well, the good thing is you can take them with you. They fit right in there, no problem. Keys fit nicely in there. You also have another little Velcro patch with some mesh. If you need things not to move around, you can also do so. So pretty excited for this bag. I'll go ahead and show you my current setup so you guys can see what I have at the moment, and excited to try this out and see if this was worth the $80 or I should stick with the bag that I have now. All right guys, so this is the bag I have at the moment. Just a random bag, honestly, my wife had laying around. It's pretty nice. It's not really like it's meant for the bike. I just kind of wrapped it on the bars. It is a little bit bigger. Let me show you an example. So initially, I really enjoyed this bag because if you, let's say you're riding out adventuring on your own and you want a little protection, well, you can bring your handy dandy little pistol here. We'll go ahead and empty the mag, show everybody there's nothing in there, as you can see. So for this bag, it's perfect. It fits in there, no problem. Would it fit on a Mosko Moto bag? Probably not. I'm gonna check anyways. I don't really ride on my own, so because of that, like through the trails and stuff, I don't really bring my gun with me. So it's not that big of an issue as I thought it would be in the beginning. So comparison to the bag that I have now, which is more horizontal versus a vertical bag. And this one's not really like very well placed. It actually moves a lot and it's pretty annoying. Let's go ahead and take this one out and swap in our Mosko Moto bag. The Mosko Moto bag is officially on the bike. The other bag really blocked the cockpit view, so I could never really tell what was going on. I would always accidentally have my light on and not realize it because it kind of blocked the view. So as of riding, let's say you're sitting up here, you're riding, you're not, you know, it's not in the way, and I think I really enjoy this look a lot more. It also doesn't contact anything at all, so you have free flow of motion. It's pretty tight on there. I may make it slightly tighter if I need to, but super easy access. As I mentioned, go in there, get what you need, be done, Velcro it shut, and you are pretty much good to go. Will a 9mm reflex fit in a bag? Pretty small carry gun. Let's see. Wow. I am actually genuinely surprised because it does. So I guess you could still have that in there. Now, is it taking up most of the space? Yes, it is. But if you're not carrying too much or have other gear, I mean, you could do it if you really wanted to. For, you know, if you're out adventuring and needed a quick access. You know, let's say that you just like left it open like that, and you're riding it, you need to stick your hand in there, grab it out, you can. So pretty freaking awesome that it actually does fit in there for those that do care. I again won't be using it very much because I don't really ride the trails solo as much as I thought I would. But guys, that is going to be the end of this video. Super short, super sweet. Just wanted to show you guys the next little gadget here that I got for the beta. Super excited to try it out. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Like the video if you did. I'm going to link the description to the Mosko Moto down below. Comment your thoughts on the bags. If you have any questions about it, I'll try to answer as fast and as best as I can. Subscribe for more content, stuff like this, all the moto bikes that I got. Love creating this stuff and putting some content out there with what I like to do. So yeah, come join me, come ride with me, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.